how to fix TikTok messages not working or sending. If you're not being able to message someone on TikTok, now first of all, you have to make sure that your TikTok account is above 13 years of age. So the account that you have over here must be over 13 years of age. If you have set your age that is under 13, you will not be able to send messages on TikTok. Now, after making sure of that, when you come to the inbox tab, it is just that some people might not have allowed DMs from strangers. So they might have set their privacy setting in a way that unless you follow each other, or even if you do follow each other, they might have changed their setting to a setting that does not allow other users to message them. You can also check this setting yourself if you just come to your profile tab, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and you go to settings and privacy. Then from there you can go to the option called privacy, and here you can see direct messages, and you can choose to allow or not allow direct messages from other users. So unless that is the case, you can try to message other people and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. In the meantime, you can also go ahead and then open up your Play Store, search for the TikTok app, and check if the TikTok app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.